manager of today's event. Our event was based on Mamma Mia theme. So the decor, the food, everything was based on Greece and about its dreamy islands. And our food menu was based on the Greek food. Overall, the event was very nice. We started prep from yesterday and we continued today, and it turned out to be fruitful.
All part of the whole preparation. Maybe the parents know that better. They might have heard here and there some stories at home. Yeah. So there is a long preparation about it. There comes an idea first, and then to bring this idea on a plate is not an easy task. Yeah. So I hope we assert it, kind of. Yeah. So here is the brain behind all of that with her team, and yeah, it was nice to see because. Last 2 weeks ago we had Las Vegas. It was the same problematic how to put Mamma Mia on a plate. Yeah, it is not easy. So there was the story about the bread and the dolma and the mother and the three husbands until the end, where we still don't know who is the father, and we peep through the holes and find out where is our dessert. So I hope you had got at least a little bit the twist of what we wanted to show in this. And yeah, these are the masters. I was only shouting in the background. Maybe you heard me, but otherwise this is their block today. Okay, so I think we can give them an applause.